Francisco. May we call on Dr. Olivia Legaspi, Dr. Marcos Saez, Dr. Mary Felidora Florinor Amparo, and Dr. Albian Dausan to stand for the distribution of diplomas. Dr. Christian George Francisco, Dean, will now introduce the graduates for the degrees in the College of Liberal Arts and Communication.
Graduates for the degree of Master of Arts in Filipino, Romeo Gonzalvo Jr., Mark Propeta, Most Outstanding Thesis. Graduates for the degree of Master of Arts in Teaching English, Noel Ansiado, Orven Francis De Pedro, Irma Peñalba. Graduates for the degree of Bachelor of Arts in Broadcast Journalism, Keisha Joyce Aquino, Mark Abelard Bautista, Paul Cascolar, Isa Beatriz Bermudez, Martha May Cabalsag, Regine Isabel Caldivo, Art Jorin Camacho, Maverick Sander Catalan, Jervis Olivet Del Valle,